Hey folks, back for another update in the 4x4 tent. I have 3 grow channels in this tent enclosure. They're 4 foot long. There's 3 of them, and it's being fed off of my patented brewer. The patented brewer is only running on 40 watts, and then it dispenses out to the vortex bucket. And then from the vortex bucket, it's attached to the foot, which goes out and feeds my grow system. So it structures the water too. And that only runs on 40 watts. And got a lot of stuff going on in here. It's getting out of control, actually. Got the Hidden Harvest LED full spectrum grow lights. There's 4 of these, 4 boards. And then I also have the T5 high output fluorescent. That's what I'm using to grow my veggies in here. And this is just a 1 gallon grow bag growing in my soilless. It's the bag, or a head of lettuce. And you can see here what's going on. Just wicking up. Got the roots down in the grow channel now. Just wicking up. Check out the old jalapeno plant. Remember, I started this in a bag of soil. It's got all kinds of buds on it now coming in. And beautiful structure on it. This is a nice looking plant here. So let's pull this back once. Look at all the roots in here. See what it looks like. See all the roots? Pretty cool stuff, huh? Going right in the bag. Nice and moist. This is just worm castings. That's it, from a local farmer. These are pablimo peppers. There's a bunch of them on here. Look at all of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 10. There's probably close to 15 of them on here, all nice size too. I'll actually pick these and show you what they look like. Another 1 gallon grow bag. This is collard greens. Look at this thing. Look at the leaf structure on this compared to my hand. Can you see that? It's out of control. Let's go over here and look at the kale. Look at that kale. Look at that. Just a 1 gallon grow bag, guys. Hey, let's lift it up for the heck of it. Why not, right? Look at that. Look at the roots. Awesome, huh? I've been moving stuff around trying to make room, but there we go. Great for juicing right here, eating, put on a salad, sandwich. Look at that. Beautiful. Look. Bell peppers. Can you see them? Sorry I'm stretching here, but can you see them? They're hard to see, man. But there's 4 of them in there. Can you believe that? More pepper. Look at that pepper right there. Another pablimo. There's some big ones right on this plant. Anyways, just wanted to give you an update on there. It gets to the point where it's just too much, and I only do this just to show you guys what Riverponics can do. So I'd love to have everything spread out a little bit more, but I'm just showing you the proof of concept of how Riverponics works and what it can do, whether it be soil, hydroponics, or the soilless mix I came up with. This thing works great. I do offer 0% financing too through PayPal. You have to go through the prompts. If you have any issues, get in contact with me. Email me. Dial my number. Don't be bashful. Take care. Thanks.